Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use Immersive View in Zoom video conferencing. Zoom are introduced these new features some couple of months ago. So what exactly using these features and what is the advantage of this feature? So let's start as a demonstration how to use Immersive View in Zoom call. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here your Zoom application. I open my Zoom application here, Zoom meeting here. I just as a demo purpose I will show you. So this is my screen and here view options are available. You just simply click here view, and here first of all two options are available and couple of months ago, like speaker and views like a gallery view, and now here one options are introduced and this option name is immersive. You just simply click here and look at this, so many features are available on that particular immersive option. So I'm here, I just select this one. So Sangram Singh is comes here, just like I start here. So look at this, Sangram Singh is on sit on the particular seat position. Again you can change some immersive view, like how many people you are, accordingly you select the immersive call. Like Sangram Singh is here to participate, 24 participants options are available. Like Sangram Singh has comes here. That one is amazing features. Accordingly you can use this immersive features and change your background and enjoy these features in Zoom conferencing or Zoom meeting call or Zoom interview. That one is amazing features introduce Zoom nowadays. This feature is also available. You can sit here and then talk with us. It's amazing. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.